Another Carnival band showing off its glitzy roadwear. Gen XS out of Florida, set to jump in Jamaica this April. Its theme, Return to Paradise. Soca files capturing the costume rollout at AC Marriott. Gen XS putting the R in risque. But no complaints from this crowd.
This thing I'm beating rum like a bird.
The Jamaican ecosystem in terms of Carnival, we always loved it. All of the directors are from Jamaica, right? So we always felt that Rite of Passage, we'd want to bring a product back that we felt that the community deserved and the community would want and the community would welcome.
This one is an ego charm. I want it. This one is an ego.
International, whether in Miami, Trinidad, wherever you go, Gen X is a massive brand. So people on the ground in Jamaica, it may seem as if we are a new band this year. But I think it's very important that people understand that we've been doing this. We've been involved in Carnival for 20 plus years, from 1999, right? So it's not a new thing. We've been there, we've done that. Want people to understand, when you talk Carnival, you talk ground, we talk Kingston, Jamaica, we're coming to have a good time. Anybody can show up. All Kanye West can come here, half the strength. So that's what I want people to understand. And that's what Gen X brings. Right? We have that star power.
The band's designers mostly from Trinidad, Jess the lone Jamaican.
You know, I love it. I mean, regardless, I would love for them to be able to expand. I mean, any opportunity that I have to be able to support brand Jamaica and be able to do anything I can associate and get into it. I mean, if they're coming to Jamaica, you would want them to be able to be more inclusive of having Jamaicans. So I can appreciate that this year I can be a part of that. My costume, Judah Jungle, is actually, I mean, what I kind of got it from is that when they told me Return to Paradise, I feel like a lot of people associate Paradise, you know, with beach and stuff, or the typical things that we expect with Jamaica. But I think we have so much more to offer. You know what I mean? I think in terms of the green with lush, like when I think of jungle, I'm like Fern Gully, like, you know, Blue Mountain. We have all these other aspects of Jamaica that have to do green, and that's kind of what I want to be able to portray instead of the typical that people expect.
The spirit telling me jump until I'm
Their costumes are amazing. Out of this world, literally paradise. I love it. Love the costumes. It's top tier.
All the costumes look amazing. I can't wait for the actual road.
Gen XS sponsored by Smirnoff.